Alright guys, let me explain how you can use this AI trading tool to earn daily income with 100% compensation. So you can use this AI trading signals every day, twice daily actually, to earn daily rewards, daily returns with 100% compensation in cases of 8 consecutive losses. So here is how it works. You have to sign up on the app, and if you are yet to sign up, you should check the registration link in the description box of this video. Then after sign up, join their Signal channel. They have Signal twice daily in Singapore time. So if I'm telling you the Nigerian time, you have to check in your own local time what the Singapore time is in your local time. For the Nigerian time, it is 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. every day, Monday to Sundays, 24/7. No delay, no holiday. So you can make money with this AI trading tool with no holiday. It's a crypto trading, so no holidays. You can start earning every day with as low as $10 deposits. You can even deposit in your local currency. So if you come to this deposit, see cryptocurrency options, you have USDT TRC20 and TRS, which is the Tron coin. So you can either use USDT TRC20 to deposit, or you use Tron coin to deposit, or you can select your legal tender options, yeah, if your country is among these 4 countries that have local deposit options. So but if your country is not stated here, for those in other country like Canada, Singapore, UK, just select cryptocurrency and select type and choose whether you want to deposit by USDT or you want to deposit by Tron coin. So any amount you want to deposit, you can deposit as low as $5, $10 and above, like that. So you select which one you want to deposit, and when you click on this select type, if I click on USDT TRC20, I'm gonna click on, maybe I want to deposit $5,000. I click on it here and I click on submit. Then I'm gonna see the deposit address to some UC. You copy this address, then go to your network, you go to your wallet and send the amount you want to deposit. So even if it is $5, even if it is $10 you want to deposit, just type in there, then copy this deposit address, go to where you have your deposits, where you have your money. You see, minimum deposit is 5 USDT. That's the minimum to deposit. It must not be less than 5 USDT, which is $5. So after you must have sent in the funds, click on confirm and you automatically see your deposits. So if you are using the local options, for those that their country is also here, if you are using the local options, you select which one you are using. If I'm selecting Nigerian Naira, I click on amount I want to deposit. Any amount, actually, you can see the minimum in Nigerian Naira is 5,000 Naira. Then you click on submit. You deposit amount you want to deposit and you say. Same thing with the withdrawal options. If you are withdrawing from here too, you have to bond your withdrawal address, the withdrawal, and your bank details, whichever option you want to use. For here, when you click on withdrawal, so you see you enter your withdrawal address here, your USDT withdrawal address, you paste it here, you get the email code. You click on this email icon, get the code and paste it here, then you click on modify. That means you've automatically added your TRC20 withdrawal address, USDT TRC20 withdrawal address. So if you are going for the option of bank account, for those that have the local currency options, you enter your bank account details here, you put in your bank name here, you get the code, click on this email icon, get the code, and click on modify, and that's it. So that's how to deposit and withdraw on this platform. The withdrawal, confirm, everything works smoothly. So to use the AI trading signal, come to this home page here. Mostly they trade BTC 28. So for BTC 28, you click here. You must have joined the 5-minute signal channel. I will show you the 5-minute signal channel. So before you start trading, you need to first of all make use of their calculator. For this calculator, come to the home page, click on calculator. Then here, enter the amount that you currently have as a available balance. For my available balance, I'm having $1,300. So I will enter the $1,310 here. Then I'll click on calculate. So it has automatically brings this 8-level calculator for me. So meaning that for every first signal, I need to first of all enter this part. Need to first of all enter the first amount. Then if the signal is a lose, then I go to the second amount. If the second signal is also a lose, then I go to the third amount to enter the next trade signal. If the third signal is also a lose, then I go to the fifth one to enter. I go to the fourth amount based on this calculator rule. I go to the fourth amount to enter the trade with. If the fourth trade is a lose, I move on to the fifth amount to enter the next trade. This is how you keep doing till you get to 8. So they are saying that if you have 8 consecutive losses from number 1 to number 8, you trade for 8 times in a row, like during the morning section of the trading signal, 9 a.m. Nigerian time and 5 p.m. Nigerian time. They trade between 9 to 10 a.m. Nigerian time and 5 to 6 p.m. Nigerian time. So within these hours, you can use their signals to participate in the trading. So they are saying within these hours, let's assume you join the morning section, the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Nigerian time, and during this morning section, you have 8 consecutive losses following this signal. Following the signal and using the calculator based on the amount you have on your available balance, then you have to reach out to the customer support to get 100% refund of your capital. That is how clear this platform is. It's 100% capital guarantee. So if you're like, what's going on? Why do I have to lose 8 times? This is the idea behind this trade. The moment you lose from number 1 to number 7, let's assume, is an assumption. Then let's assume you lose from number 1 to number 7, and the number 8 one is a win. Automatically, it has cancelled and it has override the previous 7 losses. How? Because you are using the calculator, and you can see the calculator is multiplying your amount to enter the trade based on your capital and based on in a multiply form. You can see the first one $1.28, the second one $3.22, the third one $8.05, the fourth one $20.13, the fifth one $50.33, the sixth one $125.83, the seventh one $314.60, then the eighth one $86.49. You can see how the calculator is multiplying your entering amount. So meaning that it doesn't matter how many losses the trade is, as far as there is a win, even if it is the 8 times that you are entering, if you are following this calculator, even if it is the 8 times that you are entering and you win for that 8 times, the 8th trade that you've entered, the last 8 trade has override and has cancelled the previous losses of the previous trade that you took. So you don't need to win like you have 7 consecutive winnings or anything. I do not say it's not possible, like they have consecutive winnings. However, you should not be afraid that, okay, what if I lose? Number one, what if you lose 8 consecutive times following the calculator recommendation? You get 100% compensation by chatting the customer support. I'll drop the contacts in the description box of this video as well. So you get 100% refund, capital back guarantee if you follow the calculators based on your amount that you have in your account balance. Number 2, even if you have number 1 to 5 losses, as far as you follow the calculator and you enter the 6th trade, the 6th trade is now a win. It automatically cancels the 4-5 trade that was a loss. That's the essence of this calculator. So it has automatically cancelled the first 5 trade that was a lose. So this is me explaining in details how you can make money every day 24/7 on this platform with their AI trading strategy with 100% money back guarantee, following the calculator in 8 consecutive losses. Then reach out to the customer support and you get your money back. So to use the signal, it's very simple. It's not the usual signal. And let me remember to say that when you deposit $5 and you use that $5 to trade, you get $1 bonus. If you deposit $5 between now till July 10th, if you deposit $5 between now till July 10th and you use that $5 to trade, you get $1 bonus from now between now to July 10th. So that's the current promotions about this deposit reward. Actually, that's the current deposit reward, not even promotion. It's a current deposit reward. Deposit $5, use the $5 to trade, and of course you are making money, you are making profit by using the $5 to trade, and you still get $1 deposit reward. So the next thing is to use the signal. If you are using the signal, mostly they are using BTC28, and that is what gives you 100% money back guarantee following the calculator's recommendation. So here is it. If you are using the trading signal, 5-minute trading signal, you click on 5 minutes. You see I switch. By default is always on 1 minute. You click on 5 minutes. Then I go to the signal channel. It's not time for their signal, you can see, but because I want to explain, you can see the previous signal has ended, the morning section. It remains the evening section. So for the morning section, the last trade was this trade even with the period ID quantity recommended. You can see the previous one before this one, it was a win. So trade even recommended. What you need to do is to come here, click on even, enter the calculator recommendation, the amount the calculator asks you to enter for the first entry. That's like $1.28. So I'll enter it at $1.28 and click on trade. The moment I click on trade, then I have automatically, this is not a recent signal, I'm just doing example. That's why I had to use following the calculator's recommendation. So you see, by the end of this 5 minutes, you see the countdown. By the end of this 5 minutes, I will see if the trade is a win or a loss. So even if it is a loss, there is no cause for alarm. Just enter the second recommendation on the calculators, and even if the second is a loss, enter the third entry in amount, and it goes on and on like that. So you can see, if I have to wait for this trade, that means I'll have to wait for the next 4 minutes for this to come on. So that is the simple way to just use the signal, the AI trading signal. Enter it. If it is small, you click on small, enter the amount based on the calculator, enter quantity, that's the amount based on the calculator recommendation. Then you click on trade. Automatically you've traded like that. So you're not doing the complex work, you're not doing the technical work, you are following a AI strategy with 100% money back guarantee. So that's how this platform works. So let me check the Singapore time for this trading section for those that are in Europe and all of that. So if you are outside Nigeria or you are outside Singapore, just know that it is 4 p.m. Singapore time and 12 a.m. Singapore time. So check the local time in your country in Singapore time, and you can know when to join the 5-minute trading signal. Make yourself available to use the signal, and you can start any money from this. Make sure you are using the calculator. Without the calculator, without you following the calculator's recommendation, you do not get a compensation. Remember, the money back guarantee, capital back guarantee is 100%. So if you are not following the calculator's recommendation, you do not get money back guarantee. So enter your amounts based on your deposits and follow strictly the calculator's recommendation for you to get your money back or capital back anytime there is 8 consecutive losses in a row. So that's how this platform works. Check the registration link in the description box of this video and in the pinned post in the comment section. Join their 5-minute Telegram group signal, the AI group signal channel, so you don't miss out on your trading time. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And bye for now.